Business, startup ideas and locations. Open a car wash center in front of shopping mall. Open a stationery shop in front of school, college. Open a restaurant in front of student hostel. A barber shop in front of car wash center. Pharmacy in front of hospitals and clinics. Egg store in front of any gym. A toy shop in front of children hospital. A kitchenware shop in front of vegetable markets. Snack shop in front of school, college, etc. Grocery store in front of housing society. Laundry services in front of residential areas. A yoga center in front of park. A construction material shop in front of a developing area. Open a playland in front of shopping malls. An academy or tuition center in the middle of residential area. A hotel in front of busy roads, shopping malls, bus stops, etc. Photostat or computer shop in front of office and school. Toy shop in front of park. Open a fitness center, gym in front of residential area. A beauty parlor in front of girls' hostel. An internet cafe in front of student hostel. A fertilizer shop in front of farming areas. A furniture shop in front of shopping malls. A supermarket in front of housing society. Golgappe stall in front of supermarket etc.